Speaker quality has downgraded, or if not, gotten worse.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So we're gonna keep things plain and simple when it comes to these two devices here, as far as which one should you get, because they both serve different purposes here. They got similar sizes in them. One has a dual camera, the other one doesn't. They both have fingerprint scanners, blue logo in the center there. Speaker, pretty much on the same side for each one. You got a microphone on the R2 Plus. Headphone jack and USB ports is on the top. I did see the CPU-Z that this phone was the Blu Vivo One Plus of 2019, and I thought that was pretty interesting. You can see there, it says that. And this is the Blu Vivo One Plus from last year. This phone has 2 gigs of RAM and is running Android 7.1.1. Has a slower processor on it. It's the MediaTek processor. It's clocked at 1.3 gigahertz quad core. This one has a quad core processor clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. And it's in other phones such as the UMI A3. One is running 8.0 and one is running 7.1. So I'm gonna have to give the edge to the R2 Plus 2019. The newest software versions tend to be a little bit better than the older ones. This is for obvious reasons. The screen quality is a little bit better on the R2 Plus as well. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit more bright, more vibrant. In my opinion, it's a little bit better. And I think the camera is improved in the R2 Plus 2019 as well. So you can see here with the cameras on the R2 Plus 2019 and the Blu Vivo One Plus, a little bit different. The quality of it in the R2 Plus looks a little bit better. It's not just because it's taking up the whole screen. It's because it actually looks a little bit better. So I'll say the camera has definitely upgraded, and we can switch around to the selfie. And you can see it looks a little bit better on the R2 Plus 2019 in comparison. Camera, upgraded. Speaker quality has downgraded, or if not, gotten worse. It's not much better on either phone, so it doesn't really matter between those two. Battery life is a little bit better on the Blu Vivo One Plus from last year. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery as opposed to a 3,000. Green is going to go to the R2 Plus 2019. So is the camera, so is the build, the look of the phone overall. The price is even better for this year. Between these two phones, go ahead and grab this one. This one is for you if you are curious to see if the device is, to your liking. That's the only way I can recommend this phone at this point. Share these videos with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck, just some of them.
Nurse strap.